Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this Instapot two-piece steamer basket set that we got for our Instapot. We wanted to have an extra one, in case like one of ours was in the dishwasher or something. We didn't have to want to wait on it in case we needed it. So go ahead and open this. Just show you an unboxing here. So this is a two-piece, like I said. Here's the packaging it comes in. Go ahead and take it out of this. Nice, it's got a little handle right there. That's pretty handy. Get it out of this packaging. So this top one's got the handle on it. It's a little bit smaller of a basket, as you can see there. You can see it's that right there. And then this bottom one's got a handle too, which is pretty nice. Obviously you wouldn't want to touch this if it was hot. Get something to help with that. But here's the other one right there. As you can see, a little bit taller, but just a simple little two basket steamers set. We do have a 6-quart one, and this is compatible with 6 and 8-quart ones. So that's a cool feature. But like I said, I think the handle is one of the coolest features that I like that I see so far. But that's about it.